Water's sticking pretty good. Oh man, you're still going. I'll be darned. Got a dirty lens. So, what's my opinion? It's kind of futility. Today actually is a good day to be spreading water. It's not evaporating. But this dirt here, you can see it's dark. And when I pulled it up, it did have moisture in it. I think it's got a lot of clay. So it'll set up good. But then back there was all those sandy spots. So what needs to happen today is I need to get out of here first, or I ain't gonna get out of here. It needs to rain, and rain, and rain. It's beautiful out here today. Not much wind. I made it to the end. It is chilly, very chilly. Last Saturday I was out here finishing this, it was 90 plus. Very hot. My, what a day makes a difference. That's incredible. Cattle out here knock all the signs down, road signs, use them for rub posts. That's somebody's watering troughs. Well, they got a lot of them. They were out here Saturday. I should have filmed it. They had to pick up a mother cow and probably a 500-600 pounder, I guess. They brought a stock trailer and a Ford pickup with horses in it. Got 3 horses out, and boy, the dust was flying, but man, they pushed those cattle into that little horse trailer. And then I don't know what they did with the horses. Maybe they put them in the back. But I think that mountain way over there, see if I can zoom in, I think that's split top. So I don't think I'm too far away from that other road. And then there's another well up the road here called Cox's Well. And then they got an airstrip out there too. It's called Cox's Airstrip. 8 miles to that. So there goes Matt. I just gave him a pair of gloves. He's got his coat on. Sure wish that roller had a cab. I can't believe they still make rollers without cabs. I thought they'd all come with cabs. So water's staying pretty good, and it's hardening up pretty well. So I'm gonna go back to the Coffee Point well, get my pickup, come back and stay with him, because as soon as he gets past those double water tanks down there, he will not have any cell service. So in case he got rained out or something, somebody needs to be here. So Matt just finished rolling this all the way to the end. It turned out pretty good. I was afraid it was going to be like the other road and be powder, but because of this cold weather, that water was able to sit on there and it was able to soak in, and we were able to get it tightened up, and it looks good. So now if it rains, it'll soak up even more water and it'll turn out even better, which I couldn't be more happy. Woohoo! Jeff wins. Or the BLM wins. Whoever. So it went from cold yesterday to like, it was 37 degrees at my house this morning. So I'm standing out here waiting for the boys. They're up at that number 2 well road. It's about 7 miles away. They're bringing the grader so we can get out of here and go grade the runway for the crop duster. So I'm standing out here getting some sunshine. It's nice and warm. Got my filthy horse shirt off. Hey, so would you guys be interested in shirts that either had the Buzzin' Dozen or Killdozer on it, or even my Jpaydirt diesel power in the same color the sticker is on a shirt, because it seems like these don't sell too well, because a lot of guys are afraid to wear them because of what it says. I don't know, some people I guess find it offensive. I thought it was funny, but I have sold some, but not near as many as the other. So that's my question to you. Would you rather have my Jpaydirt symbol on the front and back, or Buzzin' Dozen, or Filthy Whore? Or I mean, Killdozer. Let me know. It's a dust tornado forming. Look at this. Go, baby, go. It's a niter. I don't know. Okay, you want to count bullet holes, shotgun blasts. Oh, dumb people. Okay, loaded up. I'm out of here.